Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Sophia. Today, we're going to practice listening and understanding English by talking about education. This lesson is perfect for A1 English learners who want to improve their vocabulary and speaking skills. Talking about education. Education is an important topic because education is an important part of our lives. Most people get some kind of education. Education is different in different countries, but today we'll talk about education in the United States. Levels of education. Setin. The first level of education is preschool. In the United States, kids go to preschool when they're 4 years old, but not everyone goes to preschool. Some people don't go. I went to preschool when I was 4. I didn't like it because I was very shy. I didn't like playing with other kids when I was young. In preschool, children play a lot, but they also learn. Kindergarten. After preschool, children go to kindergarten. Usually, kids start kindergarten when they're 5 years old. In kindergarten, children start learning more things. For example, they learn to read, write, and make art. They also learn how to be good students. I remember that when I was in kindergarten, we had discipline. If we did something bad, we got in trouble. I never got in trouble because I was a good student. Elementary school. After kindergarten, you go to elementary school. In the United States, most elementary schools include 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th grade. But some elementary schools don't include 6th grade. In each year of elementary school, you only have one teacher. You have the same teacher all year. In my opinion, elementary school isn't that difficult. In the United States, of course, you get homework, but it's not too much. In elementary school, you learn many things like math, science, history, and English. At this level, you spend about 6 hours at school. Middle school. Then, after elementary school, you go to middle school or junior high. I say middle school, but both of these names are correct. Middle school usually includes 7th and 8th grade. At this level, students have many teachers, like 6 or 7. I had 6 different classes each year in middle school. Each class was 1 hour long. I didn't like middle school. It's much harder than elementary school. You get more homework and you have more tests. High school. Then, after middle school, you go to high school. In the United States, high school includes 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th grade. This is the most important time for students in the United States. If you want to go to college, then it's important to do well in high school. High school can be difficult, but it depends on your teachers. Some teachers give a lot of homework, and some teachers don't. And some teachers are good at teaching and some teachers aren't. I had some good teachers in high school, but I also had some bad teachers. College. After high school, some people go to college and some people don't. Of course, there are different levels of university and you can earn different degrees there. College is an exciting time where you can learn more about subjects that interest you and prepare for a career. Grading. Now, let's look at a few important vocabulary words related to education. The first word is grades. We use the word grades to talk about how well you did in a class or on a test. In the United States, these grades are A, B, C, D, and F. An A grade is the best, and an F grade is the worst. Recess. Next, the word recess. In the United States, recess is the short break that elementary school students have during their school day. During recess, students play, talk, or eat a snack. This break is usually 20 or 30 minutes long. Bachelor's degree. Lastly, let's learn the phrase bachelor's degree. A bachelor's degree is the degree you get after 4 years of university. It's lower than a master's degree. Teachers and classrooms. Teachers are an important part of education. Good teachers help students learn and inspire them to do their best. Classrooms are the places where students learn. In the United States, classrooms usually have desks, a whiteboard, and a projector. Some classrooms also have computers or other technology to help students learn. Homework and tests. Homework and tests are common in education. Homework helps students practice what they learn in class, and tests show how well they understand the material. It's important to do your homework and study for tests to do well in school. Extracurricular activities. Extracurricular activities are activities that students do outside of their regular classes. These can include sports, clubs, and music lessons. Extracurricular activities are a great way for students to explore their interests, make friends, and develop new skills. Education is important because it helps us learn new things, develop our skills, and prepare for the future. It's important to study hard, do your homework, and participate in class. That's all for today. Leave a comment and tell me about your education. I'll see you next time.